My name is Prathamesh Prasad Karmutkar and my topic name is Sources of Finance of Financial Management. This is a diagram of the sources of the finance on the basis of the time. Long term equity shares. This is a money raised by the selling the shares of the company to the public or the private investors or the public shareholders become part owners of the company and they can earn dividends, but not every time, but later time. Preference shares. These are the shares that can give investors a fixed dividend before other shareholders get paid. Preference shareholders usually don't have voting rights in a company. Internal accruals. This is a profit of the company has made and kept over time instead of the paying it out. Debentures or the bonds. These are the long-term loans that the company promises to pay back with the interest. Term loans. These are the loans from banks or financial institutions with a fixed repayment schedule, usually for buying assets like a machinery or buildings. Venture funding. This is the money from investors who put funds into new or growing companies in exchange for ownership shares. These investors often help manage the company. Asset securitization. This involves the pooling various financial assets and selling them as securities to investors. It helps the company get immediate cash from these assets. International financing. These are ways to raise the money from the international market. American depository receipt. These are the shares of the foreign company that are traded in the US stocks market. They make it easier for US investors to invest the foreign company. GDR. GDR means the Global Depository Receipt. These are the shares of foreign companies that are traded in multiple global markets. They allow the companies to raise money from investors around the world. These long-term financing options help businesses get the money they need for the growth, expansion, and the large projects, often involving substantial investment and large repayment periods. Medium term. On the basis of the medium term, preference shares that pay fixed dividend and are given priority over regulations. Debenture bonds, loans from investors that need to be repaid with interest. Medium term loans from the financial institutions, loans from organizations like banks or credit unions. Governments, loans for the funding. Government, loans or funding from the government programs. Commercial banks, loans from the regular bank. Lease finance. Lease finance is a renting equipment or the property for a few years. Hire purchase finance. Buying a goods by paying an installments over time. Short trade credit. This is when a businessman buy goods or services from a supplier and pays for them later. It's like a buy now or pay later deal between companies. Short-term loans like a working capital loans. These are loans that businesses takes out for a short period, usually less than 1 year, to cover day-to-day expenses. Fixed deposit. Fixed deposit is for a period of the less than greater than 1 year, or the which when business puts money in a bank for a short term up to 1 year and earns interest on it. Advance is received from the customer. This is the money that customers pay upfront for goods or services they will receive later. Creditors. These are the people or companies that the business owes money to, usually for the goods or services that have been delivered but not yet paid for. Payable. This is the total amount of money that a business owns to its suppliers or creditors. It's like running a tap of what the business needs to pay. Factoring services. This is the when a business sells its invoice money that customers owners to its business to a third party factor that discount to get immediate cash. Bill discount. This is similar to factoring but usually involves selling a promissory notes or bill of exchange to bank or financial institution at discount to get a quick cash. Basis of ownership and control. Owned. This means a business gets money that doesn't need to repay, often from owner investor. Equity capital. This is the money invested by the business or owner shareholders. They have a voting right. Preference capital. This is the money from investors who getting a fixed dividend before other shareholders, but usually don't have a voting rights. Return on. This is a profit that the business has made in the past and saved up instead of paying it as out as a dividend. The business uses this money to invest back it into itself. Convertible dividend just means it's converted easily converted into the share. Venture fund. This is the money from investors who provide the funds or new growing companies to exchange its ownership share. Borrowed. This means the business gets money that it has repaid, usually with interest. Loans from financial institutions. These are loans that a business gets from bank or other financial institutions. The business agrees to pay back the loan with interest over a set. Commercial loans. These are the loans from the commercial specifically for business purposes. They can be used for various things like buying equipment or expanding in operation. These are the long-term loans where the business promises to pay back the borrowed money with interest and regular interval. Basis of the sources of generation. Internal sources. Equity capital. Money that investors put into the company by buying shares in it. The investors become the part owners of the company and share in its profit and loss. Preference capital. Preference capital money raised by selling preference shares, which are a type of stock. Preference shareholders get a fixed dividend before ordinary shareholders, but usually don't have a voting rights. Retained earnings, profit that a company keeps and reinvests in its business instead of paying out of the dividend to shareholders. Convertible dividend. Convertible dividend just means the loans that a company takes on which can later be converted into the shares of the company. Venture fund or private equity. Money from investors, venture capitalists or private equity who invest in the private company. There are the external sources of the finance. Retained profit. This is the money that the business has earned in the past and saved up instead of the paying it out to owners or shareholders. The business uses this saving to fund its operation too. Reduction of working capital. This means using the money that is usually kept for the day-to-day operation more efficiently. For example, a business might speed up the collection of the money owed by customers or delay paying the bill of pay. Sale of the asset. This involves the selling things the businesses owns like equipment, buildings or vehicles to get cash. The businesses might sell assets that it doesn't need or that aren't being used effectively. Thank you.